In a historic political and legal showdown, the fate of Kenya's Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua hangs in the balance. This week, and starting today, Kenya's Senate will be the battleground for an intense impeachment trial where the country's finest legal minds will clash. The Deputy President faces 11 charges ranging from abuse of office and corruption to insubordination and undermining the government.
The National Assembly approved a motion for the removal from office by impeachment of His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua AGH, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. The Speaker of the National Assembly forwarded the following documents to the Senate, being the record of proceedings of the National Assembly and the evidence adduced in support of the impeachment motion. 1. A copy of the notice of special motion and an affidavit of the Honorable Ekomas Mwengi Mutuse.
Leading the charge for Gachagua's removal is Senior Counsel James Orengo, a seasoned legal titan and current governor of Siaya County. Orengo, renowned for his legal prowess, successfully led the team that overturned President Uhuru Kenyatta's re-election in 2017. He now leads a formidable team of 14 lawyers tasked with proving the Deputy President's alleged gross violations of the Constitution. Gachagua faces serious allegations including gross misconduct, money laundering, and undermining the authority of the President and Cabinet. These charges, if proven, could see him removed from office. On the other side, defending Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua is another legal heavyweight, Senior Counsel Paul Mwite. Mwite's team has assembled an equally formidable array of legal minds who are determined to dismantle the National Assembly's case. Mwite's team is prepared to challenge every aspect of the charges brought forward, and they will focus on discrediting witnesses and exposing flaws in the National Assembly's arguments. Key to their strategy will be cross-examining those who accuse Gachagua of economic crimes and insubordination. Among the charges Gachagua faces are accusations under the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crimes Act, as well as the Proceeds of Crime and Anti-Money Laundering Act. Orengo's team will argue that Deputy President grossly violated these laws, but Mwite's defense team is expected to counter with evidence aimed at undermining the credibility of these allegations. The National Assembly has already voted in favor of impeaching Gachagua, but it is now up to the Senate to decide whether or not to uphold that decision. Speaker Amason Kingi has outlined the gravity of the charges.
Honorable Senators, ladies and gentlemen, having dispensed with the pre-hearing meeting of the Senators, which was a closed session, it is now time to commence the proceedings on the proposed removal from office by impeachment of His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua AGH, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya.
Political analysts describe this as a make-or-break moment for the Deputy President.
The Senate will take a vote, and if the 2/3 of senators vote to impeach the Deputy President shall start impeached, and then there shall be declaration of vacancy in that office, and the President will select another nominee and forward the name to the National Assembly for approval into the office of the Deputy President.
With a 2/3 majority needed for his removal, Gachagua's fate will depend not just on the legal arguments, but on political alignments within the Senate. As the Senate prepares to hear both sides on this case, the nation watches closely. If Gachagua is removed, it will send shockwaves through the political landscape, potentially altering the course of Kenya's leadership. Will Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua survive this legal and political test, or will the weight of the charges against him lead to his removal from office? As Kenya's top legal minds prepare to face off in the Senate, the nation awaits the verdict.